Imagine 39 wives, 94 children, and a total of 210 people living together in one house. Cooking is done in one kitchen. Food is prepared for hundreds of people together every day. It may sound like a movie story, but no, it is absolutely true. And the most surprising thing is that this house is not in a distant country in America or Africa. It is located in Boktawong, a small hill village in Mizoram, India. Today, we will know the incredible story of the world's largest family, their lifestyle, and the mysterious belief which is still the subject of curiosity of millions of people around the world. Boktawong village is only 70 kilometers from Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram, but it takes about 4 hours to cross the winding mountain road. Surrounded by green hills, dense forests, and a peaceful environment, at first glance, it may seem like any other ordinary hill village. But in the middle of this quiet village, there is a house like no other, because the entire village follows its own distinct religious faith, and at the center of that faith was a family.
When you enter the house, the first thing you see is a huge common hall. Such a large hall is usually seen.
The house is almost empty in the morning because the men of the family go out to work at dawn. Some do farming, some do woodworking, and some manage other family businesses. This huge family runs on this income. Each wife in the family lives in a separate room with her children. Inside the room, there are rows of beds, like a small hostel. That is, many small families under the same roof, but all together, they are one big family.
The busiest place is the kitchen on the ground floor. Food for hundreds of people is cooked every day on a huge deck. The amount of food that is cooked at weddings in our country is almost the same as the daily lunch here. The house has a large generator, water system, and storage. All in all, it's like a small township. The head of this family was Ziona Chana. In 1997, he took over the leadership of their religious group. Then he gradually built one of the largest families in the world. With his 39 wives, 94 children, countless grandchildren and relatives, the family numbered about 210 people. Although such a large number may seem incredible to hear, the reality is more complicated. There were certain rules for managing such a large family. Younger wives lived near Ziona's house. Older wives lived upstairs. Some wives always took care of her personally. Many wives had the opportunity to spend very little time with Ziona throughout their married life. Some even left this life. On one hand, the modern world, where even small families often break up. On the other hand, more than 200 people have been living together under the same roof for years. Is it just the power of rules? Or family discipline? Or is it their religious beliefs that have bound this huge family together? What do you think? Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments and subscribe to our channel
to know more such incredible real stories, and subscribe to our channel to know more such incredible real stories.